I'm Donna Salyers, president and founder of Donna Salyers Fabulous-Furs. My philosophy has always been, it's your right to choose what you wear, animal fur or faux. It's not my right to tell you. But if we can offer a cruelty-free, beautiful alternative, you'll say, who needs animal fur? I want fabulous furs because they're absolutely gorgeous.
We begin this process from nothing, and we are involved in the product manufacturing all the way through.
My proudest moment every year is seeing the catalog come to life.
I love seeing Donna walking around our office with a tape measure around her neck. That's how vertical we are. We start from the very bottom, we do patterns all the way up until producing it, and we ship it ourselves. For customers to know that our hands have touched the product all the way through. This isn't just make it somewhere else and we'll just pass it through. We're very homegrown and we do it all.
Fabulous-Furs is a powerhouse. We really do have something for everybody.